This is a quick introduction to Cashflow Portal in less than 5 minutes. I will break it down into 3 sections. The first section is about CRMs, integrations, and emails. The second section is about LP investing experience. The third section is about GP logistics, such as distributions. So for the first section, as a GP, you can create a custom portal with your own logo and branding. You can have the prospective LP fill out a qualification form when they land on your portal. That LP will land in the Cashflow Portal CRM with tags, note-taking, and other functionalities. That contact will also be propagated to another CRM of your choice, such as MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and HubSpot. With HubSpot, it actually has direct integration and in such a way that their investments will also be propagated to HubSpot. You can send them emails. We have a drag and drop email editor that allows you to create very polished and professional emails. We even have this feature called KPIs that allow you to create things like adding a chart that's reading from the KPIs. So for example, here I will do a total income budgeted from earlier this year to April of this year. And voila, this is the KPI that gets generated. Okay. You can also add AI summary. And so you can do it here like this. And then you can say, I want to ask ChatGPT to write me a summary about operations. Okay. And then it will look like this with the numbers in place. All right. Cool. So let's go to the second section with investor experience. We have one of the best, if not the best, investment funnels. This is what the investor sees. They see a page with the information about the deal, as well as all the summary. They will click on Invest Now, which allows them to go into the investment funnel. One note is, as a GP, you can switch between investing and syndicating, so you don't have to log out and log back in with your with another email address. As an investor, they can invest as an individual, IRA, joint tenancy, or LLC. So I will use LLC, and I will do C extension LLC for the purpose of this demo. Add the profile, select the class, go to the next step. I will invest $100,000. Here, they can wire the money, or they can connect with their bank directly on the portal to ACH that $100,000 directly. Okay? Go to the next step. Here is one of the biggest benefits to the LP is that they can fill out the SEC questionnaire directly on the portal. Okay? And this information will be safe for their future investments. They can specify their substantive relationship with the GP if this is a File 6B deal, or that we have integration with parallel markets for third-party accreditation if this is a File 6C deal. They will finish all the questions. We also digitalize the W-9 form such that if they want to, they can say, I am investing as an LLC and my tax classification is partnership. What that's going to do is that we will take these answers and we will overlay these answers on top of the legal documents that they provided. The benefit of this is that LP can have that information readily available the next time they invest with another GP or with the same GP. And so we reduce a cumbersome paperwork signing process from, say, 20 minutes all the way down to less than 2 or 3 minutes. As you can see here, all the information is pre-populated. The $100,000 investment translates into about 100 units because in this deal, we set it to be $1,000 per unit as an example. Here's the entity name, or the address is pre-populated. The W-9 form is also pre-populated. This is very powerful because it's non-trivial to fill out this W-9 form if it's just text boxes here. All right. So as an LP, all I have to do is continue. I agreed, and I am actually done with the investment. Here, I show the example of a File 6C deal. So I'm going to upload a accreditation letter, or I can connect with parallel markets to do the third-party verification. So Here, I just upload a letter. I put in the accreditation date, and submit the letter. And I am done with my investment. As an LP, I can come to this beautiful looking dashboard that allows me to see all my investments, all my distributions, documents, etc. I can see all the updates. I can see all my emails that were previously sent. And as an LP, I can export this into a beautiful PDF such that I can take it to my financial advisors. All right, so let me go to the last part, which is as a GP. There is actually a lot to go over. The GP can set out their very complex waterfalls with different hurdles. Okay, the GP can run distributions directly on the portal. For distributions, there are two parts. There is the calculation of distribution, and then there's the transfer of money. We do both. Okay, they can share their text documents with their investors, and as well as invite co-sponsors onto the deal. Okay, as mentioned previously, we have KPIs and we have AI-enabled monthly updates that allow the GPs to communicate any information with their LPs. For the future, we will have underwriting. The underwriting allows the GPs to analyze a deal and use AI to determine what price they should buy that deal at. We will have a banking solution, which allows the GPs and the LPs to earn a 4 to 5% interest rate on their undeployed capital. We have events and vendors marketplace that allows the GPs to shop for good vendors for their multifamily and their commercial real estate. And then, of course, as mentioned, we have a CRM. Right now, the CRM is mostly for investor portal CRM. There's no reason that the general partners should have an investor portal and a separate CRM. They should be combined. So we're gonna introduce more marketing functionalities such that with real estate specific marketing emails, and put the LPs into a drip campaign, especially the new LPs into a drip campaign when they land on the portal. So all of those underwriting, banking, and a polished CRM are all coming out. All right, thanks for watching and have a good one.